back to MJ's Kitchen. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm gonna make for you some meat steak. These are my ingredients and I'm gonna walk you through while I go. So I have some oil heating up here. I have Worcestershire sauce. This is salty, guys. You have to be careful. And here I have some ginger powder. Some onion powder. In here I have salt and pepper and some garlic powder in here. This is just add in. That's enough. And here I have some this is oatmeal. I just blend up some oatmeal. I don't have breadcrumbs, so I'm adding this. Let's go for it. That's it. It's oatmeal. Okay, I gotta beat my eggs, and I have 1 egg. I'm gonna grate some onion. See all that juice, guys? You don't want to bite down a big chunk of onion. This is 2 pegs of garlic. I have everything in here, yes. I'm gonna mix this together with a fork because I don't wanna make the meat tough. I'm adding a little cornstarch. Two teaspoons cornstarch. And this is my Italian sausage. This one already seasoned, so I seasoned that one before I combine them together. I'm gonna make this steak now. Like a big handful. I want to make sure portion out my see how much I'm getting from this. Probably 6 or 5. I want it just to get 6. Can I? I'm making a steak. My oil is ready, guys. I'm gonna turn it down. I don't want them to burn and doesn't cook on the inside, because I'm just gonna make the gravy to pour over it. Okay. Okay. I guess it. Think it burned, guys. Oh, not bad. Very caramelized. It doesn't burn. This caramelize. Let's do less time on the next side. I like that color. Some onions here. Okay. We are adding back some of this oil in the pot. That's enough. Now we are adding garlic. Adding some water. You can use beef stock or wine if you want to. I'm using water. I'm adding some apricot jam. Apricot preserve. Apricot preserve. Go from there. Some ketchup. I'm just eyeballing, guys. And then I'm gonna taste and see. That is how we cook in the olden days. We don't measure nothing. We just eyeball and taste, eyeball and taste. Little salt. Pepper. So I'm adding a little Worcestershire sauce. I'm adding some Hoisin sauce. Oh, come on. That's enough. A little bit of my fish sauce in it. guys, this is my sauce. I'm gonna have a little butter. That's all it needs. Put a little more of the apricot. This is the star of the show. Ooh. Guys, it's the first time I make this sauce and it's out of this world. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Little butter. Make it better. Look at the color. I love the color of the sauce. Look at it, guys. Oh. A little tip of water. Because I'm gonna put these in the sauce. I will be right back. Here we go, guys. Give you a closer look at our steak. This is our meat steak with sausage and beef and apricot sauce. Anyway, guys, while you're watching, give me a thumbs up, ring that bell, and subscribe. Thank you for subscribing, guys. Thank you for watching. And God bless you. Take care. Have a great day or night wherever you are. Love you guys. Bye-bye. I'll see you on the next video.